Hello, I'm Maki. Continuing from last week, I'm in Asakusa, Tokyo. Last time we introduced some of the many traditional crafts on display at the Edo Taito Traditional Crafts Center. And this time I'll be visiting a workshop making Sudare slatted blinds, about a 5-minute walk from here. I'm about a 5-minute walk from the Edo Taito Traditional Crafts Center I visited last time. And this is Tanaka Seirenjo.
Displayed on the first floor of the Traditional Craft Center are Edo Sudare slatted blinds. They're made by Tanaka Seirenjo, an artisanal workshop recognized by the Tokyo government.
Hello.
Hello.
I heard you've been in business from long ago. When was this shop started?
Well, we opened about 130 years ago.
What generation are you?
I'm the 5th generation.
I heard at the museum that there are all kinds of blinds. Are all of them made here?
Yes.
The workshop makes a range of blinds to order. He shows us his workspace on the second floor.
Is this used like a shoji paper screen?
Sudare is often used in place of fusuma and shoji screens, especially in the summer as it lets the breeze in.
It also brings in light from the outside.
It doesn't completely block out light, but has the effect of giving some shade.
It seems bright and breezy.
Long ago, it wasn't hung inside. But architectural styles have changed in Japan. And some people hang it on their windows, like a curtain. It's also used on dinner tables as luncheon mats and drink coasters.
Edo Sudare has various other uses, such as hanging art scrolls and room dividers.
Okay, today I'm going to get you to weave a small sudare that can be used as a luncheon mat. The material you'll use is these bamboo strips. They're weaved on this rack called a keita. First, you'll move the first strip already here and put a single bamboo strip here and hold it down with your left hand to keep it flat. While doing that, take the thread in front to the back. Put it on the left-hand side and pull the one on the right. The direction of the weaving will always be the same.
Your movement is so smooth and it looks easy to do, but I probably can't do it that evenly.
Hold it with your left finger.
Put it on the left, then pull the right one. Put it on the left, then right.
You just keep doing that.
A simple luncheon mat takes about 40 minutes to make. Using the weight of what's called a nagedama, she has to keep weaving, making sure the bamboo strips don't come loose.
These nagedama balls are quite heavy. What's the most tiring thing about this work?
I think it's concentrating.
Focus. It looks uneven, but I hope it turns out well.
By the time you think you got the technique, you'll be finished.
While chatting and weaving, she finally finishes it after 40 minutes.
I'm done.
Okay, I'm going to take it off the rack now.
And once the lengths on both sides are cut and evened out,
I'm done.
짜잔!
What do you think?
Looks good.
It does. I'm so relieved.
아,
It was so difficult. I feel a sense of fondness for it. When you're making it, I'm sure you want the person to use it with care.
It all depends on how the customer uses it. I make it so that it's easy to use, or beautiful, or to make the customer happy.
It was a wonderful experience. Thank you.